Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and today I'm going to teach you how to do a treble crochet stitch. So this is my treble crochet swatch. Let's get started. So the material that we're going to need is our hook. I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn. So the yarn that I'm going to be using is by Red Heart. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to make 23 chains. The first thing that I'm going to do is make a slip knot. So I put my hook under my yarn like this, and then I rotate it or twist it around, and then I yarn over, and then I pull through, and then I make my slip knot just like that. So now my foundation chains, like I said, I'm going to make 23. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through just like that. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. So this is my 23 foundation chains. So this is how it's looking. And so to make our treble crochet, we're going to place our hook in our fifth chain, in the fifth chain from the hook. So this is our chain and this is our first chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my fifth chain right here. So to do that, I'm going to yarn over twice. So this is my first yarn over, and then this is my second yarn over. So I have 3 loops on the hook. So then I'm going to place it in my fifth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So I'm going to insert it just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through. So now I have 4 loops on my hook. So then I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through 2, then I'm going to yarn over, then I'm going to pull through 2, then I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through 2 again, just like that. Okay? And then we're going to do it again. 1, 2. Then I'm going to go in my next chain, insert it just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through. So I have 4 on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over again, and then I'm going to pull through 2 just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, then I'm going to pull through 2 again just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, then I'm going to pull through 2 again just like that. This is how our treble crochet is looking, just like that. So we're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2, just like that. So we have 3 loops on our hook. Then we're going to go in our chain just like that. Then we're going to yarn over. Then we're going to pull through. Then we're going to yarn over. Then we're going to pull through 2. Yarn over. Pull through 2. Yarn over. Pull through 2. Just like that. So this is how our work is coming out. So for row 2, we're going to chain 4. So we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to make 4 chains. Just like that. Then we're going to turn our work. The chain 4 that we just did, this counts as our first stitch. So we're not going to put our chain in this stitch right here because this is already our first stitch. So we're going to yarn over twice, and then we're going to place our hook in our second stitch right here. And then we're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, then we're going to pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. So now we're going to yarn over twice. Then we're going to insert our hook, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to yarn over again. Then we're going to pull through 3 times, yarning over and pulling through. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. So we're going to continue that all the way to the end. So now this is my last stitch, and that's my chain 4. So I'm going to yarn over twice, and then I'm going to place my treble crochet in the first chain that I made. So I'm going to insert my hook into that chain just like that. I'm going to pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our second row, just like that. To end, we're going to chain 1, yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to get our scissors, and then we're going to cut our yarn just like that. And then we're going to pull our hook through, and then we're going to tighten our yarn just like that. And so this is done. That's all for today's video. I hope it was useful and helpful, and I want you to know that you are phenomenal.